Experienced Queens Workers' Compensation Attorney. Workers' compensation is a safety net for employees who suffer work-related injuries or illnesses. It covers everything from slipping on a construction site to developing repetitive strain in an office, covering medical care, lost wages and rehabilitation. However, the claims process can be confusing, and even small mistakes may lead to a denied or delayed claim. Knowing your rights and how to secure benefits is vital. In Queens, K.L. Sanchez Law Office, PC offers skilled guidance from filing initial claims to appealing denials. Legal analysis. New York's workers' compensation laws ensure that employees hurt in the course of their work receive medical coverage and wage replacement. To qualify, the injury or illness must be connected to the job, whether on-site or while performing work-related duties. Workers must report injuries promptly. State law requires notification within 30 days. They have up to 2 years to file a claim, and missing deadlines can put the case at risk. Although workers' compensation bars lawsuits against employers, employees may pursue a third-party personal injury claim if someone else's negligence contributed to the injury. Consulting an attorney clarifies what the law allows. Claim process. After a workplace injury, seeking immediate medical attention is crucial. The doctor must know the condition is work-related so they can submit a preliminary report to the Workers' Compensation Board within 48 hours. The injured worker then provides written notice to the employer, who must file its own report within 10 days. The employee must complete an employee claim form, C3, within 2 years from the date of the accident or from when they realize their illness is job-connected. The Workers' Compensation Board may schedule hearings to review medical records, employer reports and insurance information. When a claim is approved, the insurer must start payments within 18 days and continue every 2 weeks. Benefits and limitations. Workers' compensation can cover medical bills, lost wages, temporary or permanent disability payments and wrongful death benefits. The amount a worker receives depends on the severity of the injury. Medical evaluations classify injuries as temporary total, temporary partial, permanent total or permanent partial disability. The degree of disability influences how long benefits last, and wage replacement is generally calculated as a portion of the worker's average weekly wage, subject to a state cap. Some expenses are not covered, including transportation to appointments or home modifications, and the law does not compensate for pain and suffering. Benefits may not be paid during the first week of disability. Challenges, appeals and settlements. Workers' compensation cases can be complicated. Some employers fail to carry required coverage, leaving injured employees with few options. Independent contractors and individuals under federal or municipal programs may not be eligible to file a claim. In the event of a denial, the Workers' Compensation Board allows appeals, but the process can be overwhelming. A knowledgeable lawyer can handle evidence, prepare testimony and represent injured workers through hearings. Insurers sometimes offer a lump sum settlement. Accepting such an award forfeits the right to pursue further benefits. Consulting a Queens attorney helps determine whether a settlement or continued benefits is appropriate. Compassionate representation and closing a workplace accident can make it difficult to support loved ones and recover fully. Keetick L. Sanchez, a lifelong New Yorker with extensive experience in workers' compensation and personal injury law, leads the team at K.L. Sanchez Law Office, PC. The law firm provides comprehensive counsel throughout New York City, guiding clients through claims, appeals and third-party lawsuits. If you have been injured on the job, speak with a lawyer at K.L. Sanchez Law Office, PC. Call 646-701-7990 or visit 3706 82nd Street No. 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372 for a free consultation. The law firm is committed to standing by your side and ensuring your rights are protected.